2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we dip onion there, deep fried beef. Crush your garlic, just do like that. And after crushing, just chop garlic, not too mince, just chop like a little bit bigger, and then slice your onion ring, or slice your red onion into ring. Just do like that. Place in a plate, make it ready, and then the next tips to cut the beef. So cut the beef across with the grain, thin slice as you can. Be careful when you're cutting the beef. Make sure your fingernails is safe. So there is a technique how you cut. After cutting the beef, put in a mixing bowl. So all there. Add a tablespoon of beef powder, or if you don't have beef powder, beef cubes, salt, beef powder, salt, add some garlic powder in here, ground black pepper in here, add cooking wine, just 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, spread all around, cornstarch in here, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, add 1 whole egg, add cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Gonna mix all together. Marinate there for 3 hours. Put in the fridge, cover with a cling wrap or plastic wrap. Not pan, add cooking oil, enough oil to deep fry the beef. So the deep fry just around 2 minutes. Will not take too long. It will stay moist, and we'll just deep fry there for 2 minutes. There, it's perfect. 2 minutes is done. So I take the beef from the oil and we sit aside. So that's a perfect. Remove the oil. Then leave a little bit. Yeah, just add the onion there. Add your garlic. Cook your onion and garlic until light golden brown. Add your deep fried beef, the pan. This promise, guys, this dish is so delicious. I don't lie to you. My family requests this to cook twice a week. You like it, you love it. So add a little bit of soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, around 2 tablespoons, or 1 garlic powder, Ground black pepper. Look at that. Beef stock, 2 cups of beef stock there. So you can add slurry. Slurry is a mixture of cornstarch and water. Next, slurry is usually using for Asian or for cooking, for thickening of the sauce. In European, we're using raw. This is combination with butter and flour. Our onion wing on top. Stir fry, onion dip stir fry. Look at that. Look at that sauce of the gravy with jasmine rice, guys. Look at that. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. Beef stir fry onion. This bite. So delicious. So perfect. Thank you. If you are new in my channel, please consider to subscribe, press the notification bell for you updated all the time I have been upload. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.